Hi guys, we received this HancraStore personalized dimmable LED sign for wall decoring for event purposes. We've got the abierto one, which I think is quite nice. In the package comes the LED sign, the control to dim it, the power adapter, and the cable. You think you need to install it, and obviously the diagram and all of it comes. Okay, so I'm starting to take it off from here so I can set it up on a wall and see how it looks. Okay, you can get these wall decors LED signs personalized to whatever you want. As I've said, we've got the abierto one. Okay, so I'm going to take it out of the bubble wrap, which is very well protected, and it's something really nice to have like this. Okay, it's like this. It's very nice. I'm going to set it up here. Okay, and I'm going to test it. I have it here, the outlet. So I'm going to connect to see how it looks. And okay, it's quite bright, very bright. I like a lot the colors. This, and you can dim it very low or very high. As you can see, it's quite nice. I think I'm gonna hang it with the chain. I've got it right here. Let me take it out. Okay, so I'm gonna hang it in my wall. Okay, so now it's all set. I'll put it with the chain. So I'm gonna turn off the lights. How it looks. As you can see, it gives a really nice color, and it looks amazing. It's very nice. I like it a lot. And we can dim it and set it to different brightness. This is the brightest. But I think that like this is really good. It gives a very nice look to all the shop, and it looks really good.